This is a 2020 Subaru Forester. We're going to be changing the air filter, and the first step is to open up the hood. We're going to show you how to do that. To open up the hood, we're going to open that up, and then if you've never opened up a hood before, we're going to lift this open, and you're going to take this and put it in here to keep it open. And I'll show you the next steps before we start. I'm using an aftermarket Amazon one that I have linked below. This is the model and it fits pretty well. I'm going to show you here in a bit the comparison of the two. So what we're going to do first is we're going to open up these two latches right here, and we are going to push it back, and then we're going to pull back the air filter on this, and we're going to pull it out. And the part number on this air filter right here is 16546 AA150, and the direction of this is going to be pointing towards the front, and this is roughly after about 14,000 miles in terms of the dirt and grime on this. I usually run my air filters until about 12,000. I'm going to show you the aftermarket one. There aren't too many aftermarket air filters that are available yet for the 2020 version, but I'm going to show you the version I bought. So on Amazon, and all the links are involved in the front of the description on the bottom, I decided to go with this one right here, XA11536, and this is the aftermarket third-party one for this car. So I'll show you a comparison of both. So I kind of wanted to show the inside of this for you to show you how far deep it goes before we install it. And what we're going to do is we're going to push this up on the front, give ourselves plenty of room to do the install. It's going to naturally lay on, and there's going to be some notches on the bottom that you're going to push this on. You're going to line those up and push it back in, and I like to check both sides, make sure it's a good fit. So as you notice, there's no gaps, and these come on and latch on pretty easily. So on the back bottom portion over here, you're going to see a notch that you push this in to line on. But so far, perfect fit, and wish you the best of luck in replacing your air filter. Alright, so I'm going to show you an unboxing of this one right here. So we've got the new one right here and the factory OEM one that came when we bought the car. So they look like they fit pretty similarly and pretty exact. The pleating towards these seem excellent. They've got this glue right here to kind of keep the partition in. This does have glue as well, so